Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Devina, and if you are a returning subscriber, I'm so excited that you are back. So I'm continuing with my month-end routine, and today I'm sharing with you how I plan my budget for the upcoming month. So let's get started. Before we get started, you know the drill. Hit that subscribe button if you have not done already, and make sure that you follow me on my social media accounts, because that's one of the way to get eligible for the giveaway I have announced, and you don't want to miss out. Now, I'm sure many of you have heard of the envelope budgeting. In that method, you have several envelopes, and each envelope is filled with certain amount of cash and a category of its own. So you may have grocery envelope, bills envelope, clothing envelope, wages envelope, gas envelope, electricity bill envelope, etc. It works for some, but for me it didn't. At the end of the day, I was putting all the cash together and using it where I need to use it. So I recommend simplifying. So the first thing I did was to track my expenses category wise in detail for 2 to 3 months. This way I got to know an average amount I need to allot to each category, and every month you have to write a new budget. This makes total sense because every month there are different things. Maybe this month you have a birthday or party or vacation or health checkup, anything. So you have to adjust each category every month, and these numbers are not at all fixed. Main categories I use in are food, household, lifestyle, savings, and miscellaneous. The food categories is for groceries, dairy products, and menu shopping. Grocery stands for the monthly staples and other food items I shop. And dairy includes the milk products for sure, and few items are there which I may need for the menu preparation, which are not in the grocery list, goes with the menu shopping. And I have allotted 33% of my total monthly income to this category. Under the household category, I have things like electricity bill, garbage bill, gas bill, my gardener's salary, and other household expenses like repairs, etc., to which I have allotted 24% of my income. I have allotted 22% of my monthly income to the lifestyle category. It has lots of subcategories like eating out or going for a movie or any other way of entertainment. Then I see that if I need any money for gift shopping that month or not, then I keep some amount of cash for my kids' needs. And lastly, I also keep some amount of cash for my shopping needs. Now coming to the savings category, I have allotted 16% to it. I have divided it into two parts, mutual fund and sinking fund. If you are new to this term, sinking fund, I have already dedicated a full video to it. So you can very well watch it by clicking the link in the description box or up here on the iCard. Lastly, a small 5% of the income is kept under the miscellaneous category, because there can be some situation that you may not know come up asking you some of your money. So in every case you have to be prepared, because I don't want to disturb the other categories in any case. So you can opt the system of budgeting your monthly income and check back at the end of the month to see how it works. I hope it works for you also, because it seems quite efficient and covers all the categories. Now, if you have any other monthly budgeting questions that I didn't quite address, go and ask me in the comment box below. And I'm trying to do videos 5 days a week, so let me know what video you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.